Temperatures have been steadily coming down since peaking at 80 degrees at Kenner. Now we're into the 50s and 60s and pretty chilly temperatures across much of the deep south, but that is nothing to where temperatures farther to our north, where the real core of the cold is. We will still see temperatures fall further, 40s and low 50s as we get the day started tomorrow, and also notice we will remain under mostly cloudy skies. Now, there is the possibility of a stray little sprinkle or two tomorrow, but I think relatively dry. Temperatures only warming into the upper 50s and 60s, so about a 20-degree difference between today's high and tomorrow's high. Now, as we go later into the evening, I think we will start to see some rain. This is late tomorrow night, maybe within about 24 hours, and then more rain to come after midnight, and a lot of our rain on Friday. We're going about 80% for a probability. Most of it may be more during the morning hours, and afternoon into the evening might actually get into some clearing of our skies. So our 80% chance of rain for Friday is not going to be an all-day event. Overcast skies over downtown with low clouds in place. 61 degrees. Dew points, though, have been dropping, and winds out of the north-northeast still pretty breezy at 16 miles an hour and gusting higher. 50s and low 60s on the map right now with the humidity coming down, so finally it'll feel a whole lot better during the day today, and we'll break our streak of 80-degree afternoons. Our dew points have been very humid all morning and afternoon long, and then by about 4 or 5 o'clock is when we started to tap into that drier air, and steadily over the last several hours the humidity along with the temperatures have been coming down. And as I mentioned, strong winds will remain fairly breezy during the overnight, and a breezy day expected tomorrow. So what brought in this weak cold front, and again the reason it was so weak for us is here is the real push of colder air staying well to our north. We're lucky we got into some of that cooler air because at the moment aloft we have this southwesterly flow. Next system up is this little disturbance moving into New Mexico. That'll be our next rainmaker that starts triggering the showers late tomorrow and into Friday. And the good news for the weekend is we will see more upper disturbances bringing in chances for some rain, but it looks as though we're going to see a break in between those systems for Saturday and Sunday. So weekend plans, as I already mentioned, will be drying out for the second half of the day Friday. Saturday and Sunday, 10-20% chance of showers. I don't think this weekend is going to see much rainfall at all. Then we'll start to see our rain chances kind of picking up again with more of these upper disturbances, especially by Tuesday of next week. So it looks like our weekend may not be all that bad with our rain chances. I kind of went on the higher side when I built this graphic, but really looking back at some of the new data, it may be more like a 10-20% at the very most for Saturday and Sunday. So I don't think rain is going to be an issue for, again, Friday night, Saturday, Sunday, and then our rain chances, thanks to another disturbance, will kind of increase during the day on Tuesday. This was a fairly active system farther to the north. Thankfully, we're starting to finally see the more active storms moving off. And for us, we got the tail end of this front, which only brought in some cooler temperatures. And again, albeit a fairly significant drop for our high temperatures by about 20 degrees. It's far colder just to our north. 58 degrees our high during the day tomorrow and mostly cloudy skies. That 80% chance of storms will be early Friday. Afternoon, evening might start to see some clearing of the skies and some more sunshine during the day Saturday and a high of 72. Back to near 80 degrees Sunday and Monday with another chance for some storms Tuesday.